Now this looks interesting. Smells amazing. What you cooking, Dad? Asian style stir-fried Chinese leaf. And it's so shiny!
Hi everybody, I do love Chinese leaves or Napa cabbage. I love them in a salad, I love them cooked. Today we're going to cook them with spring onions, garlic, carrot and a special Chinese sauce. But first of all, let's take all the leaves off the cabbage or the Chinese leaf. I'm not sure why it differs in our terminology. It's fun. I like the way that food differs in terminology across food cultures and across different countries and different continents of the world. So I'm trying to cut this in a way that makes it slightly on a slant with the blade. So I'm trying to cut it almost consistent with the way that the Chinese culture, food culture, cut their vegetables. They always cut it much more interesting than just a regular straight cut. I'm a huge fan of the way the Chinese cut their vegetables in order. They cut them diagonally in order to expose the surface to the heat so that it cooks quicker, and it also exposes the vegetable to more flavour. So I just love it. So I always try and copy that way for authenticity, and I think it's fun. I just love the way that the vegetables look, the way they're cut diagonally in general. So here I'm throwing in a load of scallions. Now there's my fabulous all-purpose Chinese stir-fry sauce. There is a video of this on my channel showing you exactly what goes in this all-purpose sauce, but bear in mind this particular sauce will need the addition of cornstarch, corn flour, to make it thick so that it clings in a glazed way to the vegetables. I'm throwing in a teaspoon of Gochujang paste, wonderful Korean chili paste. In goes the corn flour too. Now I'm going to mix it up ready, so that all I have to do is just reach for it when I'm ready to add it to my wok. In goes some fresh garlic into my peanut oil and sesame oil. I've got equal quantities. All the measurements and volumes will be in the description below, so don't worry about that. So in goes the scallions with the garlic. I'm going to stir fry these together for about 2 minutes only. Now, traditionally the Chinese woks are super hot. My wok isn't that hot. It's probably a medium compared to the Chinese, so I'm probably stir frying for a little bit longer than normal. So I'm going to put in my carrot ribbons. Now what I've done, I haven't demonstrated this in this video, but this is just a carrot with a potato peeler. So peel the carrot in ribbons, and obviously it's nice and thin, so that will cook nice and quick as well. So in goes the carrot with the scallions, the garlic. Now I'm going to throw in the Chinese leaf or the Napa cabbage, and I'm going to stir fry this in total for about 5 minutes. I am at some stage going to throw in a splash of water to create some steam, and there we are, in goes that water. And then there is a point when the Chinese cabbage will appear as translucent. That's when you need to make a decision as to whether it's how you want it, or do you want to continue cooking it for a bit longer. To be honest with you, I want my cabbage cooked, but I also want the stem crunchy and crispy, so it's kind of half and half. When I made this dish, I pretty much calculated that I cooked the cabbage for around 4 to 5 minutes over a medium heat. So there you have it. It's about now that our cabbage is ready, so very shortly I'm going to introduce the beautiful all-purpose Chinese stir-fry sauce. So let's give it another 30 seconds in the wok. Okay, and as you can see, the volume shrunk quite a lot. In goes that wonderful all-purpose sauce. As I said, the video for this sauce is on the channel. Let's stir that over the heat, and I'm also going to give it a toss, and you'll see the sauce turns instantly almost into a glaze, and it will leave our Chinese cabbage beautifully shiny, and I tell you, the flavour is utterly wonderful. We ate this very quickly, myself and my daughter. We didn't hang around. It was one of those dishes that when you eat it, you think, oh, this has no right. This doesn't have any rights to taste that good. But it just was absolutely fabulous. I love the shine. I love the way it's so easy to present when it looks so beautiful. And all I did was I just threw it on a silver salver here, and I just garnished it with some black and white sesame seeds. And obviously it made great for the photographs, and it made great for the video, but most significantly, it was great to eat with some noodles. So there you have it. Okay folks, if you've enjoyed watching my little video today. May I ask, if you haven't already, would you please subscribe, like, share? Do get in touch. We'll talk about anything you fancy. If you want to find out about my next video offering, press the notification bell. This is Chef Archie Pie, sending everyone lots of love. Do take care of yourselves. Don't forget to eat well, and I'll see you all very, very soon.